English quotes 3.
1. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. 2. Self-confidence is the most attractive quality a person can have.
How can anyone see how awesome you are if you can't see it yourself? 3. We learn something from everyone who passes through our lives. Some lessons are painful, some are painless, but all are priceless. 4. Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect.
It means that you've decided to look beyond the imperfections.
5. Nobody ever wrote down a plan to be broke, fat, lazy, or stupid. Those things are what happen when you don't have a plan.
6. 3 things you cannot recover in life: the word after it's said,
The moment after it's missed, and the time after it's gone.
be careful. 7. Though no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. 8. When the past calls, it has nothing new to say. Let it go to voicemail, believe me.
9. Rule number 1 of life. Do what makes you happy.
10. Walk away from anything or anyone who takes away from your joy. Life is too short to put up with fools.
This is a reminder to you that the light you bring into the world is needed so much more now than ever. Keep sharing your generous heart. There are so many people out there who rely on your kindness. You could be the reason someone smiles today. You never know who needs to be touched by a heart like yours. So keep spreading your light. So keep spreading your light.